going to be a review of the Seekone Mini Hot Air Gun HD 350. Bought on Amazon. Don't need a huge one. Just need something to work and help me with wires, all that good stuff, electronics, small electronics. So we're happy. We're going to have to test it out when it's time to use it. It's not time to use it yet, but it might be. But we got some fixing to do, so we'll see. We'll tap back in when it's time to use it and check it out. I'm sure it's going to be great. Dual temperature, up to 842 degrees, 350 watts. Should be good enough to melt some insulation wire wraps. I bet some people want to see it in action. So I got some little wraps on here, a couple of insulation wraps on some just splayed end wire that I'm going to throw out. So I figure I'd just show you how quick. I haven't turned it on yet, so let's just turn it on high and melt her away. Melt it right there. Let's just melt this first one, just like that. See how long it takes. Oh, look at that. Almost instantly. Woo, that's hot. Oh, it's hitting my fingers. Whoa. Gotta get my fingers away from that. Okay. That took about 2 seconds. Maybe 10 seconds altogether. Next, we're gonna melt this one onto here. I'm gonna get my fingers far away from it because it's so hot. She looks done to me. I'm gonna slide this one over just for fun, pretend like I'm gonna seal it, and then I'm gonna remelt it. Okay, that looks done to me. Pretty cool. That's on the high setting. I'm gonna do this one on the low setting, see what the difference is. See how long the low setting takes. So this is low setting. You can hear how it's low. It's still pretty quick, just as quick as high. That's pretty cool. Okay, that looks done as it's gonna get. Pretty cool. Now I'm gonna wrap the 3 power wires together and put a big thick one over it. Okay, we're gonna do the low setting. Looks good to me. Pretty cool. That's the low setting. We're happy with this thing. I'm sure some people wanted to see this thing in action, so there we are. Pretty simple, pretty awesome. We just heated up this little tube and gave this wire some more girth. Very simple. This is all it comes with. You plug it in, you get high and low, and that's it. Comes with the top heat shield. Pull this on and off. Pretty cool. 20 bucks. Pretty simple. All I really needed for wires. Unsigned. This little bad boy served me very well. Seekone. Little cheap metal guard on there, but it worked. It worked great. What did I just do? I did that right there. That's what I did with it. It was like 5 small wires on the inside and 3 bigger ones, so 8 altogether. An 8-pin connector. And I had to splice the wire on, get this connector back on here, and that's what I needed it for. So didn't do the best job. A little bit of opening right there, so I'm gonna liquid electricals tape it all out and finish it out. Considering this is the first time I've ever used it, we're happy. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to pick one up. Feel free to click on my link. You're gonna need it at some point. Unlike me, I just spent my whole life never having one of those and just having to use like a lighter, you know, the edge of a lighter when I'm heat shrinking. So no more. Pick yours up today. You know you wanna. See you in the next video.